Students, we all know that not all the snakes are poisonous, but those which are poisonous can be really fatal. They can prove to be really fatal. It means that they can be really dangerous if they are poisonous. Sometimes people have to lose their lives because of the snake poison. So that dangerous a snake can be. So students, by now you might have guessed what we are going to learn today. Continuing with the lesson safety and first aid, we are going to start with the new topic first aid for snake bites, and along with this topic we will also study first aid that can be given in case of poisoning, and then there will be another topic called a call away, and which will be the last topic of the lesson. So this is part number 4 of the lesson, and you might be remembering what we studied in the last session. We had studied about first aid for chemical burns, first aid for firefighting, and first aid for animal bites. And as I said, we are going to start with the topic first aid for snake bites. A poisonous snake injects poison with its sharp fangs, causing a lot of pain and swelling. So if you can see here closely, you will see this sort of teeth that are there. These are called fangs of the snake. These fangs many times inject poison in a person whom they bite or in the animal whom they bite. Treatment must be given immediately as the poison can kill the person. So what we have to do is apply a tourniquet just above the bite to stop the flow of blood to the heart, because the blood which is poisoned, if it reaches the heart, then it can even kill the person. A snake poison can be that dangerous. So to stop this flow, we have to apply a tourniquet just above the bite to stop the flow of this poisoned blood to the heart. So this is a tourniquet. Okay, so this, if this is a bite, snake bite, then you have to tie the tourniquet 2 to 4 inches above the bite. Okay, so I hope you observe it carefully, so that if in case unluckily if it happens a snake bites, then we have to know what to do in such cases. Well, so apply a tourniquet like the picture that I showed you just now, and then this may help to slow down the spread of the poison. So tying a tourniquet or applying a tourniquet can help slow down the spread of the poison. Then afterwards you have to rush the patient immediately to a doctor. We all know that it is always better to take precautions when you walk through the areas where snakes are found. So certain areas have lot of population of snakes. So in such areas we have to take a proper precautions. And what we can do in such areas is wear high boots to protect our feet. What we have to do? Wear high boots to protect our feet. Our next topic is first aid for poisoning. So what first aid can be given if in case a person, it can be a minor, for example it might be a child, if by mistake if he consumes poison, then what first aid can be given? First of all, we must identify the poisons. There are certain things in our houses which are poisonous. For example, nail polish, naphthalene balls, paints, detergents, some medicines. Okay, these all things are poisonous. The rules are, first of all, keep all the medicines locked and away from the reach of little children. Read the label very carefully before taking any medicine, and destroy all the medicines which have crossed their expiry dates. Many times we forget. We keep the old medicines, so they pile up, and we don't even know what the medicine is used for and whether it is within a usable date or it has expired. We don't know these things, so we have to be very cautious about these medicines properly. Then this thing is different. We vegetables or fruits that we bring from market, those vegetables and fruits should be washed. And why it should be washed? Because they might be sprayed with insecticides and pesticides. So to wash away insecticides and pesticides, we should wash the vegetables and fruits that we bring from market carefully. In case of any kind of poisoning, try to make the victim vomit. So if the person vomits, then the poison will get out of his body. Then rush the victim to the doctor. This is ultimately we have to rush him to the doctor, because these are the cases where only doctor can give a proper medical treatment to the person. And with this we come on to the last topic of the lesson, which is a call away. Keep the telephone numbers of your nearest police station, fire station, doctor and chemist handy. You have to have these telephone numbers with you all the time. In case of any emergency, you can immediately call for help, because these are very useful and very helpful departments, and we might need these departments at any point of time in case of emergency. So we should have the numbers of these departments. Well, that was all for today. Now it's time for some assignment. So let us see the questions. A poisonous snake injects dash with its sharp fangs. The second question is, keep all dash locked away from the reach of little dash. The next question is, give some example of things in our houses which can be poisonous. Then next question is, what care should be taken while eating fruits and vegetables? And last but not the least, which telephone number should be kept in handy with you? So you have to try to solve these questions. You are well aware that we have discussed all the topics related to these questions, so you will find it easy to answer them. But even then, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. You can put your questions in comment box. Okay, students. So that was all for today. See you in next session. Until then, take care. Bye bye.